I'm Rachel Freathy. I'm a Sir Henry Dale Fellow at the University of Exeter, and I've been working with the Auspac study for about 14 years now, so since the participants themselves were about 12 or 13 years old. And Auspac's played a central part in our research, which is to understand the genetic and environmental factors that influence birth weight. Now, it's really important to understand birth weight because babies that are born very small or very large are more at risk, and so are their mothers, of complications around the time of birth. And also particularly small babies are more at risk 50 or 60 years later of developing diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease and high blood pressure. But it's not really understood how those associations arise. So in our latest paper, published in Nature Genetics, we've identified 190 regions of the genome that vary between people and that are also associated with birth weight. And what's new is that we've been able to separate much better than ever before the contribution of the mother's and the child's genetics using new methods. So we've found that there are about a quarter of the variation in birth weight between people is due to variations between the babies themselves, and a further 8% is due to the genetics of the mother that's not passed on to the child but that influences the in utero environment. And this is really useful for being able to ask and answer causal questions about how that in utero environment influences birth weight and influences the later risk of disease.